Some. Have you ever admired someone who seemed exceptional at what they do and thought, wow, they must be born talented? Well, here's a secret. Excellence isn't reserved for the naturally gifted. It's a craft anyone can learn. Today, you'll discover the art of becoming exceptional, even if you're not a pro. Step 1. Respect your craft. The very first rule is to respect what you're doing. Whether it's making coffee, studying, or a daily workout, treat each activity as if it truly matters. Excellence doesn't discriminate between big tasks and small. It shows up when you give full attention even if no one's watching. Tip: pick one daily task and do it deliberately and mindfully for 1 week. See how quickly improvement follows. Step 2. The power of small improvements. The Japanese call this concept Kaizen, continuous small improvements every day. Improve just 1% each day. Soon you'll become unrecognizably better. Tip: identify one small habit to enhance slightly every day. Reading 1 extra page, doing 1 extra push-up, or practicing 1 minute longer. Step 3. Embrace mistakes as teachers. Fear of failure is often the biggest barrier to excellence. Mistakes are inevitable. Exceptional people embrace them. Each mistake is feedback, guiding your next attempt to be better. Tip: after a setback, pause and ask yourself, what did I learn? Instead of, why did I fail? Step 4. Practice consistency over intensity. Consistency is far more powerful than occasional intense bursts. Daily sustainable effort beats sporadic, intense sessions every single time. Exceptional skills come from steady practice, not overnight miracles. Tip: commit to just 10-15 minutes of deliberate practice daily in your chosen area. Remember, the path to exceptional performance isn't about perfection. It's about dedication. Small daily wins, learning from mistakes, and staying consistent. Excellence is accessible to everyone, including you. So, start today, stick with it, and soon, others will be looking at you saying, wow, they're exceptional. Thanks for watching. If this video inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and share it with someone striving to become exceptional. See you in the next video.